Hello, welcome on my tutorial about XML in Oracle database. In this video I would like to show you how you can work with XPath and XMLTable operator. I would like to start with documentation, where you can find many useful commands and examples about XPath and XQuery functions. I won't go into details about this because, as you can see, there is a lot of sections. Instead, I will show you my example. There is a simple example how you can combine XMLTable with XPath. And here is the XPath expression. But before I will explain it to you, I would like to show you this orders tutorial table. As you can see, there is CLOB column which we will parse. Also, I will show you how it looks exactly. Okay, now let's back to the query, and I look for orders and I count orders which have in this CLOB value such items where the field ship equals ship or mail. What's more, I would like to compare dates, C date with air date. And about this operator, you can find more in the documentation which I showed you before. And now we have this XPath expression which enables us to take only this line item which we want, and then we need to pass XML type, so we convert our CLOB value to XML type. Then we define columns, and what's important, you can see that we need to declare column name, type, and also path, but path we declare inside this line item element. So ln is this and ship is this tag. Then we can use these fields in our select query. So let's see how it works. As you can see, we group our final results by ship mode and order priority and count orders. That's all. Hope you enjoy it and see you in the next video.